Software today is the lifeblood of all businesses. Fast-paced, disruptive changes is now. From internet banking, to our cars, to our smartphones. The risk of software defects impacts your business more than ever. Introducing Strika, the next-generation cloud-based enterprise test management platform that works with your agile releases and continuous delivery pipelines. Strika provides your business with an enterprise portfolio view of quality, so you can gain real-time insights into your testing activities. With the power of quality metrics, you can support more frequent application releases and better decision-making. Plan, design, and execute test cases while managing your defects anywhere, anytime. Strika is available on your laptop, your tablet, or even on your smartphone.